Hi, this is Krista at The Secret Yarnery. Welcome to Match It Monday. That's fun, right? Are you enjoying these new topics? I hope so. So this is our first Match It Monday. What Match It Monday is finding an ice yarn equivalent to your favorite yarn that you have easy access to in the US. So what do you call it, like a big box brand? So today we're matching up CARON LATTE cakes with its ice yarn equivalent or similar yarn from ice yarns. What? How exciting is that? CARON LATTE cakes, they call it a 5-weight. I don't really see that as a 5-weight. It feels like a 4, to be honest. It doesn't feel fatter than a Super Saver or a worsted weight yarn. So the number I would give it some leeway on. And the ice yarn equivalent is this beauty. Comes in all these fab colors, but it is not a cake. They are 50-gram balls. And do you want to know the price? What? 87 cents. 87 cents. The difference, I can tell you the difference. The eyelash is beside the yarn. It's just kind of like together. So when you're crocheting, yes, there is 2 strands of yarn, but as you work it, they twist together. So by the time you're crocheting, the eyelash twists around the main yarn. They twist together, so you won't notice that there's 2, but they are separate. Like when you start out, it is 2 until you're working on it. So this is a little swatch I did with a 6mm hook and 12 stitches across, and yes, that is the same swatch. I just did double crochets, and as it finished, it was all twisted together. Like the yarn, I didn't mind that there was 2 strands. Great colorway. Can you see the texture on there? The fuzz is beautiful. So for everybody who is into CARON LATTE cakes, oh, the name of it? I'm so rude, sorry. It is called CARON Techno. CARON Techno. It comes in big packs like this. So 8 balls in a pack, 400 grams. So it is almost like 2 cakes. And the price for the entire pack is $7.99. $7.99? $6.99. $6.99. So the gist of it is for 250 grams of CARON Techno, it is $4.35. CARON LATTE cakes on Amazon right now, the best price I could find was $10.83 for a 1 cake, so 250 grams. The equivalent in ice yarns, $4.35. Yes, there is shipping. So the deal with shipping is you get 6 packs or 2.4 kgs of yarn delivered to your house for $19.90. So just to do some quick math for you, 6 packs of this yarn is $41.94. That is 2.4 kgs of CARON Techno, or the same as 5 cakes. No, more than 5 cakes. Oh, is that 10 cakes? 10 cakes. So anyway, almost 10 cakes plus $19.90 for shipping. So that works out to $61.84 for 6 packs or 2.4 kgs of CARON LATTE cakes, but the equivalent sent to your house, to your door. So no shopping, no whatever. It comes to your door in 2 days. And that works out to, what should we say? Not 10. Let's say we'll divide by 9. We'll, increase the price. So $25 a kg, divide by 4, gets 250 grams, right? So even if you pay shipping, express shipping, 2-day delivery, it works out to $6.35 per CARON LATTE cake to your door. Still cheaper. Unless you can find it cheaper than $6.35, go ahead. I'm all about a deal, don't get me wrong. So So links to both of those things in the description box below, and let me know what you think about it. Love to hear your comments and ideas. If you've tried Techno Huron, if you haven't heard of it before, or Huron Techno, sorry, I hadn't heard of it before either, and now I am like, what? Little slice of butter. And what have you made with CARON Latte cakes? Tell me. I have 2 packs of this bad boy waiting for something glorious. Oh, I can't wait. It's so nice, right? Dreamy. Let me know in the comments below. Have a super great day. We'll see you in the next video. Stay hooked.